Good morning. Welcome to episode 35 of Coffee and Construction. I'm Ross, I'm Sheila's substitute for today, and I would like to show you progress we've made since the last time. Here we are, our new kitchenette countertop installed, along with the sink and the faucet. And it looks really good. Of course, we'll have to do some paint touch-ups, but it looks really good. Speaking of paint, we are yet to paint our crown molding with the paint that was provided by cabinet manufacturers, so it will look like an extension of cabinetry, as if it was made in factory, but we built it here. We also were able to install our vanity top, and it looks great. It really complements this vanity cabinet. Our tile is finished and sealed, and we have some ram board to protect the beautiful tile on the floor that we have. And we are ready to move on with the installation of bathroom accessories. Towel rack over there, and towel ring in this location. We have also received our flooring. Our flooring is here, and it's ready to be installed. And what's really great about this type of flooring, it doesn't need to acclimate like we had to let the old wood floors acclimate for a week or two, sit in the space. But no, this one you can install right away, but we'll give it a little bit of time for a good measure.